Garmin watches are renowned for their GPS tracking, fitness metrics, and durable features, but sometimes they experience slowdowns or lag. This typically shows up as delayed app responses, slow screen refreshes, GPS inaccuracies, and reduced battery life. The causes can range from software glitches and hardware limitations to how you're using the watch. Many of these issues have been addressed in newer models and through software updates, so there's a good chance we can get your watch running smoothly again. Outdated firmware is the most frequent cause of lag. Garmin regularly releases updates to optimize performance, fix bugs, and improve battery life. To check for updates, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and sync your watch. The app will notify you of any available updates. Installing these updates is crucial, as Garmin has significantly improved watch performance through software rollouts. Customer support reporting a 25% drop in lag-related issues since 2024 due to these updates. Lag often occurs when your watch's limited resources, processor and RAM, are overloaded. Garmin watches use ARM-based processors with limited RAM, such as 64 megabytes in older models. Running multiple apps or widgets simultaneously, especially those using high-frequency GPS or advanced features, can strain the system. Background processes and zombie apps, apps that don't close properly, can also lead to memory leaks and slowdowns. Before diving into more complex solutions, try a simple restart. Hold down the power button for 10-15 seconds until the watch turns off and then turns back on. This can often clear temporary glitches. If the problem persists, consider a soft reset by also holding the power button. As a last resort, a factory reset will erase all your data, so back it up first. This restores the watch to its original state and can eliminate persistent software conflicts. GPS issues can also contribute to lag. Weak signal environments can make your watch struggle to process satellite data. Ensure you're in an open area with a clear view of the sky when starting an activity that uses GPS. Experiment with different GPS modes, GPS only, GPS plus GLONASS, GPS plus Galileo, to see if one performs better in your area. Also, check your sensor settings to make sure they are calibrated and functioning correctly. A degrading battery can also lead to performance throttling, mimicking lag. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, affecting their ability to deliver power efficiently. Monitor your battery life closely. If you notice it draining significantly faster than usual, it might be time to consider a battery replacement if possible for your model. Also, optimize battery usage by turning off features you don't need and adjusting screen brightness. Connectivity and syncing issues can significantly impact your Garmin watch's performance. When syncing data between your watch and the Garmin Connect app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, unstable networks can cause delays and slowdowns. Unstable networks create interruptions in data transmission, leading to longer sync times and potential performance issues. This is represented by the wavy connection line and slow data transfer. To resolve this, ensure you have a stable internet connection when syncing your watch. A stable connection allows for smooth data flow, as shown by the straight line and faster sync times. If you continue experiencing persistent syncing issues, try forgetting and repairing your watch with your smartphone. This refreshes the Bluetooth connection and often resolves underlying problems. Garmin is continuously working on improving watch performance. Trends show a shift toward AI-driven optimizations, such as predictive battery management and performance profiles that auto-adjust settings for activities. Staying informed about these updates and adopting preventative measures like regularly updating firmware and limiting unnecessary background apps can help keep your Garmin watch running smoothly for years to come. According to experts, user education on maintenance can prevent 70% of lag issues. If problems persist, contact Garmin support for further assistance.